Four left parties in Manipur, CPIM, CPI, RSP and AIFB, have strongly condemned US aggression against Venezuela, including reported capturing of President Nicolas Maduro and his wife Celia Flores. The joint statement signed by Kitrimiam Santa of CPIM Manipur, A. Nabachandra of CPI Manipur, Komdram Gyaneshwar of AIFB Manipur and Kangjam Manoranjan of RSP Manipur described US actions as blatant violation of the UN Charter and an attack on sovereign nation. They highlighted statements by US President Donald Trump on seizing Venezuela's oil reserves and by US Secretary of State Marco Rubio warning that Cuba and Mexico could be next, calling these clear signs of US imperialism seeking global hegemony. Left parties expressed solidarity with the people of Venezuela, noting reports of mass mobilization in defense of the country's sovereignty. They have called for nationwide protest in India against US aggression and urged the government of India to join global voices condemning the attack and stand firmly with Venezuela.